Hello everybody and welcome to the demo presentation of our innovative IoT system. These are the main components related to our IoT system, and then I will make use of one PC, one laptop and one Raspberry board in order to show you the correct functionalities of our IoT system. To start with, I will run the catalog on the first PC. And as you can see, it works correctly. Then I will run the ThinkSpeak adapter on the same PC. Also in this case it works properly. And then I simulate a patient also in this PC through a device connector, a PC version of a device connector. Also in this case it works properly.
Now, on the other PC, on the laptop, I run the Freebird. As you can see, it works properly. I run the emergency control on the same laptop. These are warnings related to TensorFlow version but are not harmful for the simulation. Then, through PuTTY, I run the device connector script on the Raspberry board. As you can see, it works properly. Then, starting with connected to Freebird, that is the entry point for doctors. Doctors should click on this link in order to insert a new patient in the system. For example, a KTD is the number of the Raspberry board related to a specific patient. For example, Giuseppe Verdi is related to the number 06. Then we choose the sensor to be attached to the patient, for example, the heart rate, blood pressure, the systolic and diastolic. Then I click on fill in the sensor ranges that are the vital parameter ranges related to a specific patient. For simplicity, I leave this value, the default value. Then I click on send patient data. The catalog will give me a positive response in case the patient has been stored correctly. Otherwise, it will retrieve a negative response. Then I will show you how works the Telegram channel. For example, Andrea Krobu is a patient that has all the sensors attached to him, and the emergency control works in two ways. If a patient has all the sensors, it will use a neural net in order to classify the emergency condition. In case the patient has not only the sensor attached to him, it will classify the emergency condition only using out-of-range parameter. For example, Andrea Krobu that has all the sensors, the neural net has classified the actual patient condition as emergency. That is a message sent by the emergency control to the specific Telegram channel. While Ilaria is a patient that has only some sensor attached to her, and as you can see, the emergency control sends the message the sensor rate has got 6 anomalous values in order to notify the caregiver that a sensor has got some anomalous values. Then how doctors can visualize data? In this way, clicking on load freeboard. These are the freeboard, the dashboard related to the patient. Actually, Giuseppe Verdi has not been already updated on the system because the freeboard took a while in order to update its internal state. If we want to visualize the data of Ilaria Battaglia, we click on it. Then these are the data related to the Ilaria Battaglia patient that has the temperature, heart rate, blood pressure, systolic, diastolic, and pulse oximeter sensor. In order to see the update procedure, I will show you the TeamSpeak channel related to Ilaria Battaglia because on Freeboard the values are too close in order to see the update procedure. Now, waiting a while, we will see the update procedure done by the TeamSpeak adapter through the correct TeamSpeak channel. Here we are. The update procedure has been done correctly, as you can see. Then, how doctor can update the number of sensors of a specific patient. For example, Andrea Kropp, that has all the sensors attached to him, but we decide that it needs only some sensors. For example, temperature, heart rate, and pulse oximeter, filling the sensor ranges, and patient data. Now, waiting a while, the emergency control will automatically update into internal state and the neural net will not be used in order to classify the emergency condition. After a while, the emergency control have updated the internal state and the Andrea Krobo channel has received the sensor heart rate has got 6 anomalous value, as you can see. Then finally, each Raspberry board is equipped with the push button that in case the patient pushes it, the caregiver will receive a message of notification. I push the digital button and as you can see, the Telegram channel related to Andrea Krobo has received the I'm pushing the alert button, I may need assistance. These are the main functionalities of our IoT system and as you can see everything works properly.